I have a woman call me on the phone every day. We're going to talk about the daily question process. Every day she listens to me read questions I wrote and provide answers I wrote every day. Every day. Someone said, why do you have a woman call you every day? Don't you know the theory about how to change behavior? I wrote the theory about how to change behavior. That's why I have a woman call me every day. My name is Marshall Goldsmith. I got ranked #1 leadership thinker in the whole world and #1 coach in the whole world. I have a woman call me on the phone every day just to listen to me read questions I wrote every day and provide answers I wrote every day. Why do I do this? I'm too cowardly to do this by myself. I'm too undisciplined to do this by myself. I need help. It's okay. Well, we all need help, and it's okay.